In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Spacetime in Once Human. So, by default, Spacetime is very easy to use. All you have to do is press Q on your keyboard, and as you can see, Spacetime is activated once your character kinda snaps his fingers, okay? So that's it. However, if you want to change it to another keybind, let's say you want to have it on one of the F keys, all you have to do is press your escape button and then navigate into settings. From here, you want to go to the second tab, which is called Keyboard, and you want to scroll down and look for Spacetime. Then, to simply change this shortcut, you can simply press it and then press the key you would like. So let's say we'll put a W. I can't do it because that's forward, but let's say you want to have a key that isn't bind to anything else. You can do that in here, okay? Just simply find it, find your Spacetime, and then change it to whatever you like, and then it will auto-save, press escape, and then you can use it yet again with your new key. So that's pretty much it. That's how to use Spacetime in Once Human. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to this channel and help me out as well.